Password reset not sending email on Squirrel Fix. You clicked forgot password on Squirrel, but the reset email just won't show up. Don't worry, this is a very common issue, and the fix is usually simple once you know what to check. First, open your email app and look in your spam or junk folder. Squirrel's password reset emails are usually sent from no-reply-join-squirrel.com, and many providers flag them automatically because they contain reset links. Search your inbox for Squirrel or password reset to make sure it's not buried somewhere unexpected. If you can't find it, double check that you're using the same email address you registered your Squirrel account with. Most people get this wrong. Even a one-letter typo or using an old address can stop the reset link from arriving. Next, add and join Squirrel. Come to your email's safe sender list and try resending the password reset link. Wait about 5 minutes between requests to avoid delays. If you're using the Squirrel mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can occasionally fail to trigger reset emails correctly. You can also try logging in from a different device or web browser. Still nothing? Make sure your inbox isn't full and your provider isn't blocking messages with links. Some corporate or educational email systems have strict filters. If you've tried all of these steps and the email still isn't arriving, contact Squirrel's customer support through their website or in-app help. I'll verify your identity and manually help reset your password. Most people assume the system is broken, but the surprising truth is that spam filters and typos are responsible for most missing reset emails. Follow these steps and you'll have your Squirrel password reset email in your inbox and your account back in no time.